Robin had many questions on her discussion, so I thought I would go ahead and talk about several of the things and show you what you can find. One of her questions, and a few of you others have also mentioned it, is how you keep up to date with technology. A great way to do this is to go into your drive, and I'm going to click on, as everybody calls it, the waffle. And I don't know if you've explored Google Plus, but that is different groups that you can join. And for example, if you're interested in Google and education, I'm going to look for Google and education, and I'm going to go through here and I'm going to see all the different groups that there are. Here's one just for Google for Education and Research, which you may be interested in if you're going to be a library media specialist. Here's 12 tips to use it for little kids. This one talks about a new login. I know something that I'm interested in is I have to do a presentation on the new Google Slides. So let's see if I can find something on this. If I want to follow it, I just hit follow, and I'm going to be added to the circle. Okay, I'm going to look at, and then I can go back and look at my different collections. So anyway, that's one way to keep up. Also, you want to know what to teach at what grade level. Estes just come out with their 2016 standards. They only have, as you can see, 7 areas, and they're fairly vague, but I believe they keep these vague so each school district can adapt to their program by adding benchmarks for the grade level. But it's a great starting place to go. You know, I assume they don't get very specific because not everybody is on the same page in education, as we very well know. Another resource that's fantastic if you're in Ohio is Info Ohio. And they've come up with some new things this year, which are fabulous. One is I Wonder right here. And I Wonder has a great place that students can start if they need help with homework, if they want a fun way to practice skills such as vocabulary or math, or if they want to explore a topic. I Wonder includes the best of the best sites hand selected by Ohio school librarians. And these websites contain reliable information that supports what students are learning in school, presented in an easy and engaging way. New sites are added regularly so students can discover something new every time they go. So this gives you an idea of what that platform looks like. So I'm going to go back to Info Ohio. And this Book Nook is fantastic. Book Nook is a secure place that students can create book trailers and put into Book Nook. The videos then can actually be inserted into your card catalog. So when a student is browsing for a book, if a title catches their eye, they can click and watch the book trailer put there by another student. The site also contains teacher materials and lesson plans and directions for the student if they'd like to create a book trailer. Here's just an example. Students can get creative, or they can actually go ahead and just talk about the book. A lot of the examples they have are a couple of kids talking about the book, and I think that we would like our kids to be more creative, but that's what it's starting out as. So Anyway, then another thing that I'm going to go back to Info Ohio. Info Ohio also started off with iSearch that here we go. iSearch that is currently just about finished in the state of Ohio. So when a student goes into iSearch, not only does it search their own card catalog at school, but it also searches all different kinds of databases and websites on the particular topic. So that's a great thing too. So anyway, just a few suggestions for one, keeping up on your technology. Two, looking at standards, deciding what to teach at what age, and then looking at some new features Info Ohio has that if you are a library media specialist or hope to be soon, you can take a look at. So anyway, thanks.